Ever rush out the door, shoes slowing you down? Uncomfortable shoes can ruin your entire day. Blisters, sore feet, and tired steps. Sound familiar? You want style but also need comfort. Most dress shoes look sharp but feel stiff. Sneakers are comfy but lack that professional edge. Why settle for less when you can have both? Introducing Timberland men's boat shoes. Premium leather for lasting durability and classic appeal. Handcrafted design, each detail speaks to timeless style. Comfort-focused construction for all-day wear. No more choosing between looking good and feeling great. Imagine your morning commute in stiff old shoes. Now picture walking confidently in Timberland boat shoes. Feel the difference with every step you take. From meetings to meetups, comfort never fades. Before, hesitant steps, constant discomfort. After, stride with confidence and ease. Before, shoes wear out, lose shape quickly. After, premium leather keeps its form year after year. Before, style feels forced and not natural. After, handcrafted details elevate your look effortlessly. Before, feet ache before lunchtime. After, all-day comfort, no matter your schedule. Before, you dread dressing up for work. After, you look forward to stepping out in style. Timberland boat shoes solve everyday footwear frustrations. Designed for fashion enthusiasts who value comfort. Perfect for professionals on the move. Ideal for anyone who refuses to compromise. Premium materials mean shoes that truly last. Handcrafted style stands out in any setting. Comfort-focused for those who never slow down. No more switching shoes between work and play. From office to dinner, they fit every occasion. Timeless design pairs with any outfit. Elevate your wardrobe starting from the ground up. Step into meetings with confidence. Enjoy social events without worrying about sore or feet. Make every step a statement in style and comfort. Impress colleagues, friends, and strangers alike. Your shoes say a lot about you. Make it count. Why blend in when you can stand out? Timberland boat shoes, where comfort meets craftsmanship. Feel the premium leather with every step. Notice the handcrafted details up close. Experience comfort like never before. No more tired feet at the end of the day. No more sacrificing style for comfort. No more buying new shoes every season. Invest in footwear that truly lasts. Join those who choose quality and style. Timberland boat shoes redefine everyday elegance. Upgrade your shoe game effortlessly. Step out with confidence every single day. Let your shoes do the talking. Handcrafted for those who appreciate the details. Premium leather for those who value durability. Comfort-focused for those who never stop moving. Timberland boat shoes, the smart choice. Make comfort your daily companion. Make style your signature. Make durability your standard. Ready to upgrade your footwear? Choose Timberland men's boat shoes today. Experience the difference from the very first step. Fashion, comfort, and durability all in one. Why wait? Your feet deserve better. Timberland boat shoes. Step up your style. Shop now and walk with confidence.